Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Salesforce Marketing Cloud account. First, it is crucial to understand the platform's extensive capabilities and how they align with your business objectives. Take time to assess your specific marketing needs, whether it's email, mobile, or journey orchestration. Research the various editions, such as corporate or enterprise, to find the best fit for your budget and required features. This initial exploration ensures you select the optimal solution. The next essential step is to connect with the Salesforce sales team. You can easily do this through their official website or by calling their dedicated sales line. During your scheduled consultation, a knowledgeable Salesforce representative will delve into your unique business challenges and marketing goals. They will help you navigate the different marketing cloud products and recommend the most suitable solution, ensuring a tailored approach for your organization. Once you have finalized your product selection, Salesforce will begin the provisioning process for your new marketing cloud account. This involves setting up your dedicated instance on their secure servers. You will need to provide essential business details, including company name, address, and primary contacts. Following this, you can configure initial settings, establish user roles, and define access permissions for your team members, ensuring a smooth operational start. After your account is provisioned, Salesforce offers comprehensive onboarding sessions to help you get started. These sessions provide valuable insights into navigating the platform and utilizing its powerful features. Take advantage of the extensive training resources, including documentation and online modules, to empower your team. You can then proceed with integrating your customer data and confidently launching your first marketing campaigns, driving significant engagement and results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.